Karnataka High Court on Tuesday will pronounce its order on Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's petition challenging the legality of Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot's approval for investigation against him in Mysuru Urban Development Authority MUDA site allotment case. The High Court on 12 September completed its hearing in the case and reserved its orders while extending its 19th August interim order directing the Special Court for People's Representatives that was slated to hear complaints against him in the case to defer its proceedings till the disposal of the petition. The case is listed for pronouncement of order before the single-judge bench of Justice M Nagaprasanna on Tuesday. The Governor on 16th August accorded sanction under Section 17A of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and Section 218 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 for the commission of the alleged offences as mentioned in the petition submitted to him by complainants Pradeep Kumar SP, Abraham and Snehamayi Krishna. On 19th August, Siddaramaiah moved the High Court challenging the legality of the Governor's order. In the petition, the CM submitted that the sanction order was issued without due application of mind in violation of statutory mandates and contrary to constitutional principles, including the advice of Council of Ministers, which is binding under Article 163 of the Constitution of India.